Today we are going to see the quick overview of Dynamics CRM. First of all, we need to understand what CRM is. CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management. CRM systems and applications are designed to manage and maintain customer relationships, track engagements and sales, and deliver actionable data all in one place. Running a successful business is no simple task. When marketing campaigns, data analysis, meetings, customer care, and more all happen simultaneously, you need a powerful CRM solution to bring all these functions together in one place. Nowadays, there are many tools available for customer relationship management. There are three main modules in Microsoft Dynamics CRM. They are Marketing, Sales, and Services. In Marketing module, it enables campaign planning and execution, analytics, and reporting, marketing or sales collaboration, etc. Sales module provides tools to successfully manage the sales process, access to potential contacts in real time, and to identify potential customers. It helps users to manage details about accounts, contacts, lead, opportunity, forecasting, sales analytics, quick access to products, pricing, and quotes. Service module enables management and monitoring services that are provided to clients within the organization, ensuring customer service representatives maintain a consistent system of support. CRM tools make the customer-facing functions of business easier. They help you centralize customer information, automate marketing interactions, provide business intelligence, facilitate communications, track sales opportunities, analyze data, enable responsive customer service. Now, we are going to see the stages in business process management. Here are some differences that will help you to understand lead and opportunity. Lead, a person or company which is interested on some business of yours. You are trying to sell him something. Opportunity, a sale for some account. At this point you can convert that lead to a contact or account or opportunity. Finally, when the contact or account inquires about a specific issue or problem or quote, you now have an opportunity. Note that you can have multiple opportunities for an account. And you can track the opportunity to a resolution, hopefully a sale. This way you keep all your contact or account info intact no matter the outcome of the opportunity. Hope you have got an idea about Dynamics CRM through this video. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Please visit our blog happy4coding.blogspot.com for technical blogs related to Microsoft technologies. Thank you.